Yum. Yeah, let's crack and welcome back to a new video. Alright cousins, so today this video is brought to you by Tinashe Hair, and I want y'all to know that the curls came like this. I did a little bit of cutting of layers just to make it like, you know, give it some body and whatnot. I could go back and tweeze it some more, but I just wanted to like show y'all before my baby was like, girl, we ready to wrap up? And I love how these curls are still intact after me like tweezing and playing around with it and whatnot. So if this is the most beginner friendly wig I've ever had, because it's a closure and it came curled and I didn't even dye I didn't bleach the knots, I ain't dyed the hair jet black like I normally been doing. It came right to go. You could leave it without cutting the layers, but that's, you know, that's up to you. So look in this video to see if this is your steez. This is the hairstyle I landed on, but I was playing with a few more in here. So if you want to see that type of timing, head inside and close the door behind you, because they should have subscribed. You feel me? Does my skin look off? Don't play with me. Retrograde, you just started. Let's just don't take my skin from me. So today's a different kind of video. No. It was sent to me by Tinashe. Where did y'all get that name from? You know, it's a little dust bag, my favorite kind of clips, which I love. Some eyelashes. So they fancy, they got their brand name on there. Excuse us. Y'all got money. Straw comb. We all know this is a rat tooth comb. Alright, so this came 22 inches. Eager to try it because it said it came curled. Bitch, I'm my mother. Bitch, I'm my mother. So I was like, oh, let me see what that means. Cause normally I would dye it jet black, but I was like, wait, they're like actually curls in this wig already. If we've unlocked the swag like that, then we gotta talk. Like now I gotta really see what's up. It's a closure wig, which I don't mind these days. Right now I don't feel like having just you know, the whole process right now. I'm rocking with the closure. I'm just gonna add it to this to the last loop. And I didn't dye it already the jet black because I like jet black on my skin, because I figured it would damage the curl. So I wanted to see as is, because there's some people the natural brown color, it works for them. It's just me that is picky, which once again, no hate, but you know, I'm gonna tint the lace and all that, but I just wanted to see where it fell. Okay, maybe she needs some layers and we'll do like a flip over type of thing. This lace is like white. Should I have bleached the knots? No, because I would have had to wet the hair. Oh, the knots is not bad actually. You know, they're not black, or I'm blind. Oh no, they are black. Maybe I should do my makeup. Since the closure, I could just do my makeup and slap it back on top of the makeup and see what it's here for. I think that's the game plan. Okay, we're back. Makeup is on. I sprayed some of my little concoction on here. Really focus it on the front, because let's be real. Well, let me say I'm putting a majority of my focus on the front. The hairline. I ain't gonna hold you. I make her bangs in this, but I am going to add some more foundation powder. One time for the low maintenance girlies. Okay. Okay, smooth. I'm saying spray because it's a closure. Yeah, feel me? Okay, so these are definitely like starter kit curls. I don't think that, you know, when you wash the hair, put product in the hair, the curls will stay. It's just giving like they did the work for you. It's coming proper, you know. Like there's enough room for like a good deep parting. Like look at that. Like that's a nice like hold on, let me show you. Let me show you. It needs layers though. But let's cut off this. Def needs some thinning out over here. What am I looking for? Oh, it's right in my face. Like if I cut a few strands of it out, I ain't tripping because it's less lace to be shown. It's just a closure. It's not perfection. It's a look. All right, I honestly can't concentrate right now because I don't have anything on my lips. So we're gonna have to fix that real quick. Okay. Okay. Kid ain't mad. Like the more you cut off the bottom curls, the more voluminous it is. And I love it. Girl, if you could fit a half up, half down in here, I don't want to hear nothing. Love to see it. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I don't know who the fuck they thought they was, but I'm into it. This is my final look. I'm very proud of it. just chef's kiss.